Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting crypto tutorial on your channel name. Today, we're tackling how to send Dogecoin from Bitmart to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and secure for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just experimenting, let's get started. First, ensure you have active accounts on both Bitmart and Robinhood, and that your Dogecoin is sitting in your Bitmart wallet. Always double-check your balances before any transfer to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. This is where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Step 2. Find Dogecoin in your assets and click on it. Then, select the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. You'll see a form pop up for entering details. Step 3. Now, switch to your Robinhood app. Go to your Dogecoin wallet, tap on the Deposit or Receive option, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: verify the address multiple times. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back on Bitmart, paste the Robinhood wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send, and make sure to select the correct network, like Dogecoin's native one, to prevent any issues. Step 5. Review everything carefully, including any transaction fees, and hit confirm. You might need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Step 6. Once submitted, keep an eye on the transaction status. Use a blockchain explorer to track it. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour to complete. A quick word of caution: be mindful of fees, which can eat into your transfer, and never rush the process. If you're new, start with a small amount to test. There you have it, you've successfully sent Dogecoin from Bitmart to Robinhood. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next one.